Allora, non si può presentare una canzone così, allora, questa qua è una bellissima canzone, di nuovo di Adele, e la cosa molto interessante è che è stata scritta completamente, sia la musica che il testo, da Bob Dylan, e si chiama Make You Feel My Love. For a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I know this from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue, I'd go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret. Nothing like me. I can make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you.